Hi and welcome to this demo of the Discngine SWAK, the Spotfire web application for KNIME server. In this video, we will see how to register and execute a workflow from the KNIME server. So first, let's start our application, which has been deployed in our case to our KNIME server. We first log in to KNIME, then we log in to Spotfire, and we end up with the SWAK on the left and Spotfire on the right. As you can see, our menu is empty when we start, so we'll click on this plus button to register a new workflow. Select the workflow that we want to add, in our case, a PCA workflow. Here we have the different inputs that the workflow will take. We can change the type if we wish, or change this description. We can change the default values and set it as advanced parameters, which will be hidden by default. And then we click Next. We then select where we want to put it in the menu. In our case, we'll add a new folder. And then we can set the description. And once we're ready, we click Add. The new menu item has then been created here. We can load it by clicking. As you can see, we have the different parameters that we had. We can see the descriptions that we set for the data table name. We can change the different values. So let's set it to 3, for example. And then we click Submit. The instructions are then sent to the KNIME server. The workflow is executed, and we can see its result loaded here. So we have also set up some buttons here to be able to interact. So we can click on these to change the markings on Spotfire, or we can simply click and drag and use Spotfire as used to. Thanks for watching.